Hey everyone, I'm back again, Harrison, project manager at Eclipse, and today we're going to be running you through another project demo. Last time we went over the EVM on an Eclipse chain, and today we're going to be using Solana on an Eclipse chain. So let's walk you through deploying a smart contract. We'll keep it really simple this time. Hello world, directly from Solana's repository, using Visual Studio Code onto the EVM chain. The chain we're using currently is Injective. All right, awesome. So let's get started. This is the code that we're looking at. This is the hello world. Separate videos all around YouTube. You can take a look at that. Copy the top of it. We'll go to git clone. Clone successfully. Perfect. All right, great. Let's get there. cd example hello world. And now we're in the file. Awesome. Now here's a little bit of a tricky part. You have to make sure you're on the Eclipse chain. And to do that, we'll do Solana config set URL space. And I have the URL right here that we're going to be on. This is the Eclipse Injective chain. Paste it here. And as you can see, this is the output. This is really important that yours matches this. If it won't, you'll occur problems later. And now we'll need to generate a key. And to do that, we'll use the exact same commands you normally would. Solana key gen new. I'll have to do force. And as you see, we'll do without a password for the moment. Copy this. This would also work if you wanted to use a Solflare and use a browser wallet. This is where you could do that. And now that we have that, we'll airdrop ourselves some tokens. So even though this is a custom testnet built on an Eclipse network, we're still using the Solana commands, and so the airdrop commands are going to be exactly the same. So we'll do Solana airdrop 10, requesting the airdrop. This might take a second. Perfect. All right, we're right here. So now we're ready to run it. So we'll do npm run build program. Okay, we have a small error. Let's see if we can fix this. Okay, it seems as if it was a syntax error. We'll go back, try again, and perfect. It's compiling and building it, so just give it one moment. As you can see, it's pretty quick. It's a test network right now. But in general, the idea is that the Eclipse custom networks, since you can configure your own blockchain, are always going to be faster than the traditional one. We'll wait a second here. So as you can see, we've done it now. It's compiled and finished, and we can just deploy it the same way you would for any testnet. Our contract deploy dist program. Oh, little syntax error. Give me a second. Just copy and paste the correct one. And here we go. So as you can see, it's sending the transactions the same exact way you would on a Solana DevNet. And you have the program ID printed here. So we can actually go to SolScan. And here we have it on SolScan. This program ID right here, copied here, and easily viewable on the Eclipse network. Awesome. So in this video, it was super simple. We ran through a hello world deploy on an Eclipse chain. We can interact with that using that private key that we just generated. And in the future, we'll go over more complex programs and how they can be deployed onto the Eclipse chain. Again, the goal that we have here at Eclipse is to make blockchains easier to use, better to use, and get everyone using them. And the way that we do that is allowing you to customize your own blockchain. So this is one part of that, and this is using Solana as the backbone. Thanks so much for following along, guys. Looking forward to see you soon.